Good morning guys, Carlos here of SwimBikeRun.ph. As usual, ito yung inaabangan ng lahat. Race course preview of the upcoming Triman Triathlon 2026 happening next week, August 30 here at Ayala Vermosa Sports Hub. So just for starters, switch natin yung camera. Race kit claiming will be here at Multisport Corner. That's gonna be on Saturday. Gravel parking, that's gonna be our parking spot. And then punta tayo sa pool for a quick race course preview. Gate 1, this is where all the participants and then the companions will enter as usual. Yun yung mga lagi nating ginagawa sa previous races. Yung parents will have a complimentary slot if your kid is joining the Tri-Kids. So we'll just do a quick rundown of the swim start. So punta tayo sa kabila. In 3, 2, 1, go. So we are now here at the pool area. This will be the holding area and all the guests will be there. Yeah. So dun yung start natin. That is gate 2. Zoom natin. And that's gate 2. That will be the entrance to the transition area. Ito yung start natin. All participants will start here. Each set will be 300 meters. So full will do 2 loops and then light will do 1 loop. And then the kids will do shorter loops right there. Okay, so we are now here at the start. There will be ledges here. The waves will be mass start as usual. So this lane will be removed and then that lane. So it will be very wide yung first 2 sets nyo. So there will be ledges here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ledges where you can stand on. So para if you want to have a comfortable swim, sinasabi namin, you may stand na kasi pool start tayo. And then, if you're a beginner, we highly suggest you position yourselves at the back, the ledge here. And then, if experienced na for the win, for the podium, you may go ahead. So, wide to, unlike Aquaman, na ito lang yung wide, doon sisikip na, this will have 2 wide lanes because we will remove this lane and then that lane. So, each set is 300 meters. So, yun na, doon na tayo papasok dyan. And then let's go to the transition. Now here's the transition area, yan yung gate 2. Diyan ka lalabas pagtapos mo na swim. So from there, you will turn, zoom out natin. You will turn left here. Pasok ka sa transition area. Andito yung expo natin and then awarding yung stage. So from there, pasok ka dyan. Pasok. Rack your bike. And then you will turn left there. Left again towards the bike. Tapos yung bike mo, pagkatapos, balik ka, ikot. Pagkapasok mo dyan, rack your bike and then you will exit naman for the run, turn right, and then do the run here. This finish line will be on the other side. Okay, so right now we're in the car. We're gonna preview the bike course of Triman Triathlon 2026. So if you're familiar with Vermosa, we came from the parking. And then, by the way, this video has been sped up to 1.5 speed. Okay, so hindi to yung normal speed. So, eto na tayo. Papunta na tayo sa bike out. So, on the left is the transition area. That's the athlete's house also. And yung may cones na yun, that's where you will exit and then bike and then go to the bike course. So, eto na siya. If you're not familiar yet with Vermosa, the bike course will be moderately rolling. Hindi naman steep yung mga uphills niya, but there will be uphills. And then, of course, if there are uphills, there also will be downhill sections. So, patas lang yan. It's a pretty enjoyable bike course. And then, by the way, wala rin tayong aid station on the bike. So, just a reminder for everyone. We keep on telling that naman because it's actually more dangerous to in a beginner race especially to put an aid station on the bike. So kaya na yan usually 1 or 2 bottles, that's enough. So coming from Champions Loop, you will turn right here. This is the main road of Vermosa. And the bike course that we are doing is the usual 10-kilometer bike course here at Ayala Vermosa Sports Hub. So if you regularly join races here, It's exactly the same as that one. So, wala na tayong ibang iikutan. I wish there were longer roads here, but it is what it is. So, enjoy lang tayo. Diretso lang tayo. Yung Tri-Kid 7 to 10 will have a shorter U-turn, and then all the rest will be doing the same bike course. The each course will be 10 kilometers. So if you're doing the full distance, that's 3 loops, and then if you're doing the light, that's 2. If you're doing the Tri-Kids 11 to 14, that's 1. Yeah. So sige, I'll let you watch the video, and then salita-salita na lang ako. Kasi this bit is 20 minutes yata. So yeah, pero sige na nga, salita na, salita na tayo. But as you can see, it's pretty shaded yan, lumalaki na yung mga puno ng Vermosa, and that's a pretty nice sight to see, di ba? Kasi when we started racing here, when we started organizing races here, wala talagang, it was all barren land. Wala pa masyadong developments, but it's good to see the developments from Vermosa side. And we're really hoping we have a lot of years left to race in this location kasi it's perfect talaga. It's super safe. Why? Because we're gonna ride in a closed environment. Yeah, given na hindi siya totally closed yung road because it's a shared one. Pero syempre we don't want to exclude naman the neighborhood, diba? Whenever we race, we don't want to trap people in their homes. So it's the best way is to integrate racing in the daily living here. So what's the best part about that also is mas matagal tayo makaka-race dito. So this part is the uphill section of Vermosa, if you notice. So it's pretty straight lang yan. It's a straight shot. It's really a straight shot bike course with not much turns and U-turns until you go back. So yung pabalik, this is the best part to enjoy and get your bearings lang, because if you're gonna do the full distance, that's 3 loops, diba? So you're gonna do this 2 more times after this one. So just get your bearings. We're gonna approach the first U-turn in a bit. Yeah. So up to here, it's pretty still. Di naman siya ahon kasi din eh. Pero false flat siya. Yeah, we can call it a false flat. Kasi it's not really flat, but hindi rin siya ahon. So, medyo paangat lang na konti. Pero, once you get your momentum going, this is a very enjoyable bike course. Actually, this is one of the best bike courses na we have designed. Yung sa Duaman this last Duaman yun, ang dami rin nagkagusto nun, binago namin yung course. But this time, we're gonna use the same venue as Duaman X2 because honestly, wala na tayong may ikutan sa Vermosa. This is the only loop available na ubos na natin yung lupa na pwede natin bikan. Ayan, so this is where we will U-turn. That's the end na of the bike course. So after the first U-turn, you will turn right here at the first corner just to get a little more kilometers because kulang yung bike course talaga. Yeah. So quick right turn, and then you will U-turn here again, just before the guardhouse. There. Okay. So you will U-turn here. Yeah. And then once you get back to the main road, you will turn right again. Here we go. Turn right here. So once you turn right here, since wave start tayo, you will get to see the other participants in the later wave. So just don't forget to say hi to them, wave, say good morning, whatever, say go. That really helps a lot. Especially, ang dami natin na naman first timers na magta-triathlon. So if you're feeling good and if you have extra energy left, just feel free to say hi. And then for sure, once they see you on the run course or they'll see you again in one of the loops, they'll say hi back. So it's a good way to race, di ba? Lalo na if you're not aiming to win naman or whatever. Just enjoy the race. Enjoy racing in a safe race and enjoy racing in a safe environment. Di ba? We're all here for you and everyone's gonna wait for you to finish. So no problem there. Yeah, so once you turn right sa next corner, this is the part where it will get tricky because ito na yung mga liku-liko. Marami na. Go straight here. Yeah. Maraming nahihirapan dito sa part na to because yan nga, if you can see, medyo paahon siya. But that's the reward of going naman sa kabila, di ba? So, papunta dun sa U-turn, downhill siya. Ngayon, ahon lang kayo ng konti. And just go straight. It's a straight shot bike course. It's really good. Kaya that's why we love racing here at Ayala Vermosa Sports Hub. May nagtanong din pala, will you have GPX of this? Yeah, we will try to upload it sa athlete guide and then we will also post it online, downloadable, para you can train with it if you have a smart trainer. Ayan. So, aside from this na parang virtual race course preview, we're also gonna release an athlete guide na for you guys to download. Everything will be there. And also, we will do a race briefing. All right, so we're gonna switch to the bike course map on the website because na-cut yung video natin when we were recording. So dito tayo galing nun. We will turn right here coming from Vermosa Boulevard. Turn right here. And then make a U-turn. Turn right again back to Vermosa Boulevard. Turn right at the next kanto. U-turn. And then turn right again. You're back at Vermosa Boulevard. And then switch na tayo ulit sa video. And once again, you will hit the main road of Vermosa. Ayan. Diretso lang. And then, once you get to the main road, at the entrance ng Vermosa, mag-U-turn tayo dyan. But syempre, since hindi pwede yung kotse mag-U-turn dyan, we're gonna do some editing magic. And pagdating natin dito, stop. Nakita nyo yung no U-turn sign. In our next video, we will now be at the other side. So, andito na tayo ngayon. Doon tayo galing sa kabilang side kanina. So, yan. So, once you make a U-turn here, this is the crucial part because once you're done with all your loops, you will turn right here going back to transition. But if you're not, you need to go straight ahead and do more loops. So, if you're doing the full here, this is the crucial part. If you're doing the full, you'll do two more. And then if you're doing the light, you'll do one more. And if you're 11 to 14 years old, yung try kids natin, just turn right here. So this will be heading back to the transition area, which will be on your right. Konti pa. Ayan.
the bike dismount will be right about here. Yan. So, yun na yung transition area and entrance natin. And then you will rack your bike. And then we will now go to the run course. So, on your right will be the run out. On the left side of this road will be the finish line, okay? So, pagka run out nyo, galing na kayo sa bike, magra-run na kayo, stay on the right side, which is where the car is. And then, pagka-exit nyo sa transition, turn right, and then start the run. Ayan. So, the run is basically flat din naman, aside from some slightly steep sections, especially when you get to the intersection after this, kasi magra-right turn tayo. Meron dun intersection, di ba? May right turn na medyo, tawag nila doon, medyo makunat ng konti. Pero sandali lang naman yun. Pag green na natin yan. Yan. So, kita nyo nag-green na yung stoplight. Hindi, editing magic yan. So, eto na. So, be prepared for this one because coming from the bike, baka medyo mataas pa yung heart rate nyo. Just a piece of advice. When you start your run, just, take it easy. Huwag yung masyadong hatawin. Man, so this is the entire bike course. And then I don't think I need to tell anything here pa. And aside from the fact that it's now pretty much shaded compared to previous years. And then also some aid station tips. There will be plenty of aid stations on the run course. So please use them. And lagi nga namin sinasabi, di ba, we have no use for it anymore. So feel free to use all the aid stations, the sponges, the water, the Vitargo is even there. Drink all of it and douse yourself in water if you're feeling hot and everything. We want to make sure everyone finishes this course, okay? So sana makawag 100% finishing rate ulit tayo. So the run is pretty straightforward. It's a 2.5 kilometer loop. If you're doing the full, you will do 2 loops. If you're doing the light, you will do 1 loop. And then if you're doing the tri-kids, there are short U-turns for the 7 to 10 and then 11 to 14. So yun, please study the map. Nandun naman yun. Plus, also the U-turns will be marked. But as usual, like we always say, please, it's your responsibility to do the race course. So ito lang yung bike course, yung run course pala. So makikita niya is pretty much flat, di ba? Aside from yung area na nag-ride kayo kanina. Ayan. So please, take your time, enjoy the race. And then syempre, cheer for other participants as well because yun nga, you'll never know, nag-suffer na pala sila, hindi lang sila halata. Pero a little boost would go a long way, di ba? Lalo na if you're new to triathlon and you're forming friendships pa lang, bubuo pa lang kayo ng team nyo, this is a good way to bond. And of course, thank you to all the participants who joined this year. This year is officially the biggest ever Triman Triathlon in history. I think also the biggest pool-based triathlon in Philippine history. So maraming salamat. Also to Vermosa Sports Hub for being our official venue partner. So that's it. This will be the part where we head back to the finish line. So turn left here. So piece of advice, once you get to this area, yun na, pahinga na kayo. Medyo kita nyo, downhill na yan. So, pahinga na, yung zipper nyo, ayusin nyo na. Tapos yung shades nyo, hindi tabingi, di ba? Tapos yung kung may cap kayo or something, ayusin nyo na yung buhok nyo. And then, yan. Once you get to this part, the race is pretty much over. Aside from the full distance because they will do 2 loops, di ba? So, yun lang. Magicin natin uli yung stoplight. And boom, yan, green na, di ba? So, once you get to this part, just enjoy the race because the race is done for you. And then enjoy the finish line experience and smile because there's gonna be pictures and cameras all over the place. So, ito na, papunta na tayo sa transition. It will be on the right side where the car is now. And then once you get to this part, Congratulations, you are a Tri-Man finisher. That's it.
So don't worry, as usual, we will do a race course online briefing and live also. And then also, we will also release the athlete's guide. So abangan nyo lang yan. The route is finalized already with Ayala Vermosa Sports Hub. So the course will be exactly the same as last year. So we will be posting maps, schedule, everything you need to know. So that's it for the race course preview of the upcoming Triman Triathlon 2026. So this is the third and final leg of the Go for Gold SBR Tri Series 2026 presented by Vitargo. So as usual, we will be posting all the maps, the athlete guide, schedule, and everything you need to know about the race on our website. So until then, see you guys on race day. This is Carlos. Bye.